Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Stumble Guys locked game. To know how to fix or how to solve locked game of Stumble Guys app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about this window of Stumble Guys. Then in this page of app info you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we'll enter to clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can go to your Wi-Fi. You will click here to turn off your Wi-Fi and you will wait, then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.